What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at $1.25, down 0.6 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 10.65 billion. 24-hour volume, 465 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, grab up to 30K in bonuses or Bitkit. This is where I do the majority of my trading. Up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Matic. So we're starting to break down. We are starting to see a little bit of a bounce. So what I think is likely is we've come down in a wave 1. And you're pushing up in a wave 2 pullback, and you see a 3, 4, 5 to take you down in a wave A of an ABC correction. Now, of course, if we break the high, then all that means is the wave count isn't complete yet to the upside. So the retracement zone that you want to watch for a wave 2 is in between the 0.5 and the 0.786. So for Matic, that's currently sitting in between $1.23 and about $1.26. We'll drop some price labels just so it's more visible for you guys. So that's where you'd look for a wave 2 retracement, also a head and shoulders, which I'll show you on the next chart. And then you would come down in 3, 4, 5 to complete a wave A, see a wave B, and a final wave C to take you down to the wave 2 pullback zone. That's what I think is the likely scenario, unless we come up and break that previous high at $1.28. Then you'd most likely push up to $1.30, and we'd have to look at this 5-wave move to the upside not being complete just yet. But as I mentioned, I post this in the Discord to watch for a potential head and shoulders. We may be putting in that right shoulder. So if you do see us start to roll and come back down to this neckline, we break that neckline. Technical target is about $1.08. All right, gang, we also have this nice upward channel, and we haven't yet broke support. You could also see this as a rising wedge. So if that support is lost, then you target the bottom of the wedge, which is sitting at about 95 cents. All right, gang, let's take a look at Ethereum. So 2 scenarios for ETH. Either we're coming down in an A, B. This is an overshooting wave B. And looking to come down in a wave C, or this is an ending diagonal into a wave 5. So this could be your wave 1, you ABC'd into a wave 2, you pushed up in a wave 3, ABC into a wave 4, and you're still looking to push up in a wave 5, which could take you up to about 1755. It's definitely possible. If we do come up and break that high, then that's what I would be looking at here, is that this is an ending diagonal into a wave 5, and that would complete this wave 5 right here, and then you would see a much, much larger retracement and a large wave 2, as we can see here for Ethereum. Ignore this 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just the bearish count that has yet to be invalidated. But from this low here, so you would have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then you would have the ending diagonal wave 5, which would complete a larger wave 1 to the upside, and that's when you would see a larger wave 2 retracement before potentially seeing continuation. All right, gang, if we look here on the daily, we have the rising wedge. We are still holding the 20 EMA as support. Strong divergences here, money flowing out, losing strength as we're pushing up. Of course, these can take time to play out, but they are bearish signals that you should definitely be aware of. We are back above the 200 EMA as well on the daily, which is a good sign. So in the short term for Matic, watch that pullback zone in between $1.23 and $1.26 in a potential wave 2. And watch for a head and shoulders. If we do break the high, then the wave count isn't complete yet. But I think it's likely that we put in that head and shoulders and see continuation down. But of course, anything can happen, so just take it with a grain of salt. All right, gang, sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Check out my full-length tutorials pinned at the very end of the video. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing with their trades. They like to post their profits in here, as you can see. And Mahalo all plays, same price as a Big Mac meal. Netflix subscription, 10 USD per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a terrific evening, morning, or night. All right, much love. Take care.